Yes, Google. You know, google.com. Still not? I will tell you. As a digital literacy, if you want to search something, Google is a searching platform, search engine, which you find everything over there, and Google platform is something amazing. And you can find that everything is over there. And Google platform, you can find Google Assistant is over there. If you have to trouble with something, navigate some map, so you can search for a Google map. Even Google Translate, Google Documents for making your files. As a digital resource, you may be a type application, you may be type presentation or something. It's depend on there what you want to type or write or calculation. So you can use Google document too. And if you want to translate in English to Urdu, what I am saying, what you like to say to another people of in Arabic, Farsi, French, so you can use the Google translation and Google Speak, Google Voice Search, and Google Assistant is one of the best features over there. And Google have a number of other features like Google Drive. If you have to save your photographs, which you click to a mobile phone, you know, if you're having a mobile phone, you yet have tried how to make videos and photos and capturing number of moments through there, and you keep enjoying your digital life. So let's move to the next video. Thank you.